Hello guys, how are you? I believe everything is going fine. As you know, this is our crash program regarding the cryptocurrency, especially for the beginners, also for professionals. So I always suggest in start of the video that the newcomers on this platform they should go back and visit my previous video so they can easily understand what is cryptocurrency because I been discuss each and everything from basic to end in these videos. So they go back and visit my previous videos where I discuss what is cryptocurrency and how it works and what kind of technologies is working behind it. So how they can start their trading in cryptocurrency online. So I suggest to the newcomer they go back and listen these videos carefully. So guys, I always request you guys, please subscribe, like and check bell icon to promote this channel for the others. And when you check the bell icons, whenever me and my team update the new video, you will get the notification. So, guys, as you know, we always try to give you the best knowledge regarding the cryptocurrency and update knowledge regarding the cryptocurrency. So, our today topic is types of blockchains. So, guys, let's we move to the Google and let we see what Google is saying about the types of blockchains. Then I will discuss in my words. So here, Google is saying blockchain technology can include public, private, hybrid, consortium, permission or permissionless blockchains. Each blockchain type has its unique attributes, pros and cons, and these influence their specific use cases or applications. So guys, let me explain in my words what Google is trying to say here. Actually, there are four kind of types of blockchains. One is public, second one is private, third one is consortium, and the fourth one is hybrid. So let me discuss in simple words individually. What is public? Public mean when if we take example, suppose we have number of nodes, number of computers in a network, and if we discuss this globe is a network, and everybody in this globe in this world they have the system, they have the computer. I mean they consider as a node of the network. If they want to deal in cryptocurrency, I mean if they want to send some money in cryptocurrency to the other person, they can do publicly. So it's a much decentralized approach in public. So when we talk about the private mean they are a company network where the employees are the different applies have the computers. I mean, these are different nodes, and they, if they validate the transaction in this network, they can do it. But outside this network, nobody can access the this network. So it's called private. So when we talk about the consortium mean so. Con Consortium is just like the group of the companies network. If consortium mean there are number of companies and the each company have number of nodes, number of computers, and they want to validate any transaction in cryptocurrency. They can do it, and it's a considered as a private network. So outside this network, nobody can access this private network. So the last one is the hybrid. Hybrid is, you can say, the best of the both. I mean, the best of the public and the private is called the hybrid. I mean, hybrid is the nature of the hybrid network is like this. The best of the both things is called hybrid. I mean, if anybody like if you talk about the public is a little bit little bit is you can is a longer process to validate anything as compared to the private. So little in this scenario, private is the much faster network as compared to the private. So when we talk about the hybrid, the hybrid will get the this point from the private, and they can do the validation is in faster as compared to the public network. So, guys, this is all about types of blockchain. So, anybody talk about the blockchain types, you can go back and discuss listen this video carefully, and you can easily understand. Sorry, what is types of blockchain. So, guys, thank you very much to watching my channel and subscribe this channel and promote this channel. I request you please subscribe, like, and check bell icons to promote this channel for the for the other newcomers benefits. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you in next video.